proper role of the elected county attorney is to serve the people of the county that elected him. The proper role is to vigorously prosecute crimes, to work with law enforcement for your benefit, and to effectively manage the office. Thank you.
The county attorney has two roles. Now, I have been a county attorney for 11 years. I've been the county attorney in Utah County for 4 years. I was a county attorney in a rural county for 8 years. As the elected prosecutor, you're the chief law enforcement official for the county on all criminal matters, and you are also the civil advisor to the county commission, the county sheriff, assessor, auditor, treasurer, clerk, recorder, etc. And so it requires balance. You have to be able to have not only prosecution understanding, but you also have to be able to have civil experience to be able to advise all of county government. Now, if you distill what I believe the responsibilities of the county attorney's office is, number one, the county attorney's office is to uphold your oath. The oath you swear is to uphold and defend the Constitution of the United States. It's not necessarily to work for the police, it's to work with the police, but to support the Constitution, and then to support the Constitution in representing the civil people of the county.
David is right. There's two roles. First, prosecution, and provide sound legal advice and representation to our county and county agencies. 80% of what the county attorney's office does is the prosecution side. And quite frankly, that's what's not happening right now. We're soft on crime, and we cannot be soft on crime. The proper role of the county attorney is to prosecute crime. Number one, prosecute crime. And what the evidence supports. It has to be what the evidence supports, not some notion of fairness as to less charges. So that's number one. Number two is to support and work with law enforcement. We are on the same team. We need to work together and provide training to law enforcement so they do their jobs and to uphold the law. And we'll talk about that later. But also to keep our communities safe.
Nelson, I think I get a rebuttal. I get 30 seconds on soft on crime. I've prosecuted as a county attorney, statistically speaking, I've filed more sex crimes cases than my predecessors. That's a fact, and I'll send you all a mailer that shows the numbers. We've prosecuted homicide cases, sex abuse cases. We put people in jail who are violent and dangerous. To say that I'm soft on crime is a simple allegation that can't be supported by actual numerical facts, and it's just not true. The violent and dangerous, they go to prison, and we put them there. But those that are not violent, we have a different solution for them. That's not soft on crime, that's just smart.
Thank you very much. I meant to do this at the beginning, but those of you who are Utah County Republican delegates, please raise your hand. So these guys are going to be choosing between you three. So